On the branches today, we will be looking at the site where the lead singer Mohbad was buried. Some hours ago, his remains was exhumed from his burial site. Some things that people were really focusing on was the fresh blood people saw at the gravesite, especially inside his coffin. Remember, his neck was bent inside this coffin that was undersized. Let me give you full details to this story. But before then, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Brain Gist. Thank you for watching. Police exhumes Mohbad's body for autopsy. The Lagos State Police Command has successfully exhumed the corpse of the lead singer Ilerioluwa Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad, on Thursday. The Punch reports that the Lagos State Police Command Public Relations Officer, SP Benjamin Hundeyin, confirmed the developments to our correspondent in an exclusive telephone interview on Thursday. Hundeyin said Mohbad's corpse has been exhumed today and an autopsy will begin as soon as possible. Do well to check this channel for another or more interesting videos. I appreciate your time. While this video lasts, drop a comment if you have one on the comment section. Like this video, share it to your friends. Thanks for subscribing to
They killed Mohbad. They killed
Brain
him.
Gist.
It is not smelling. This is see fresh blood. See fresh blood. Look at Mohbad in me. They killed him. They killed him. They killed him. They killed him. She was see fresh blood. See fresh blood. See fresh blood. See fresh blood. If you can't touch him, I'll be buying now.